Tired of dust and pet hair taking over your home? Meet the YISORA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. With 30 kPa powerful suction, a smart touchscreen, and wireless freedom, cleaning has never been this easy. It effortlessly cleans carpets, hardwood floors, and even car interiors in seconds. Got pets? No worries. The YISORA sucks up pet hair and allergens with ease. Enjoy 55 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning on a single charge. Say goodbye to mess and hello to effortless cleaning. Grab your YISORA Cordless Vacuum Cleaner today. Click the link below to get yours now.